What's that? Those are wheel chocks, and they're designed to go in front of or behind the tires on your vehicle while you are recovering or working on a vehicle. So if you're recovering something, you would put them behind your vehicle to help prevent your vehicle from rolling back while you winch against it. If you are working on your vehicle, you would want to put one in front of and one behind your vehicle's tires so that it doesn't shift back and forth. Now, why am I showing you this? Well, mainly it's because somebody sent me a video where somebody started up their vehicle and it started rolling backwards. There is a ton of traffic by my house today, which is really aggravating. So, how do you use a set of chocks? Well, your chocks, mine, I put on a rope, even though you usually buy them and they're usually separated. The reason I put them on a rope is so that they're easy to carry around and easy to store. I'm gonna hang them up and they don't get in the way. But when you're doing that, the rope should be wide enough so that you can hit both tires. Now, unfortunately, this was for my Ranger, so it's not quite big enough for the truck, but it's pretty close. It would work. So you could do both tires with them, or have plenty of space to do front and back. So how do you put them on? Let's show you. So here's your tire. And my tires are, mid-duty tires. They're nothing special. But you want to be able to get your chocks, put them right up close, and right up close. Now, here's again where the rope comes in handy. It's just easy to pull them out when you're done, right? Pull, pull. Now you've got them both. You don't have to walk around and pick them up. They're pretty heavy. They're probably about 6 or 8 pounds each. You don't really want to have to one-handed the whole time, and it's kind of hard to grab them with both hands when they're underneath your tire. So put a rope on them. Do yourself a favor. You should own one of these. Everybody who has a vehicle should own at least one set of these. I have 3 sets. Because you never know when you need them, and you never know when somebody else might need them. You're jacking your vehicle up, you should put a set of chocks under at least one set of tires. So, what the hell are these? Wheel chocks. Get yourself a set.